to how to add a stunning background image to your PowerPoint slides. This simple trick can transform your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. So let's get right into it. Firstly, open your PowerPoint application on your computer. After your PowerPoint app is opened, click on Blank Presentation or any presentation you've already created. Select the slide you want to add a background image to. If you're starting from scratch, you will be working with the first slide by default. After you prepared your slide, go to Insert at the top of your PowerPoint window. Now click on Pictures. You can see you can insert the pictures from the device, stock images, or online pictures. You can click on wherever you want your picture from. I chose to put the picture from the device. Here you can choose whatever picture you want as your background and click on Insert. Here we can see our image has been delivered. If your image isn't fitting the slide the way you'd like, you can adjust its transparency, offset, or even tile the image directly from the Format Background pane. After you've adjusted your picture, click on Write and click on Send to Back. Now your picture will be used as a background. And that's all there is to it. You know now how to add a background image to your PowerPoint slides. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.